Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Razer Kaira Pro to Xbox. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel. If you want to connect Razer Kaira Pro to Xbox, then we need to follow some steps. First, prepare the headset and Xbox. Turn on your Xbox and ensure it is ready to connect devices. Ensure your Razer Kaira Pro is powered on. Second, activate pairing mode on Xbox. Look at the pairing button on your Xbox console. Xbox Series SS. It is on the front of the console next to the USB port. In Xbox One, it is on the side of the console or next to the disc track, depending on the model. Press and hold the pairing button on the Xbox until the power button starts flashing, indicating it is ready to pair. Third, put the headset in pairing mode. On your Razer Kiaro Pro, press and hold the power/pairing button until the LED on the headset starts flashing green. This indicates it is in pairing mode. Fourth, complete the connection. Once both devices are in pairing mode, they will connect automatically. The LED on your Razer Kiaro Pro will stop flashing and stay solid green, confirming the connection. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.